Hello students, welcome to Shorup's classes. So in today's video, we'll be solving a question from NDA 2018 mathematics paper. So as you can see, today we'll start with question number 82. So in question number 82, it is given what is integration limit 0 to root 2 x square dx equal to, where this is the greatest integer function. So we have these four options, out of which we need to find out the right answer. So for this, first of all, I'll write down the question which is given, which is x square dx. So now we know it will be what? It will be 0 to 1, 0 to x, plus it will be 1 to root 2, 1 into dx. So now it will be equals to root 2 minus 1. So it will be equals to root 2 minus 1. So for which we know, you can see the option A is the right answer for question number 82. So it was a simple integration. We have to take limit 0 to 1 first. Along with it, we have got 0 dx, and we have got 1 to root 2, which is 1 into dx. So the result we have found to be root over 2 minus 1. So now we'll go to the next question. So in this question, in question number 83, as you can see, what is the maximum value of 16 sine theta minus 12 sine square theta? So what is the maximum value of 16 sine theta minus 12 sine square theta? So we have to find the answer for this question. So for this, first of all, I'll write down y equals to 16 sine theta minus 12 sine square theta, which will be equals to, if you take 4 common, it will be 4 sine theta minus 3 sine square theta. It will be 4 sine theta minus 3 sine square theta. So whose value will be equals to minus 12 sine square theta minus 2 into 2 by 3 sine theta plus 4 by 9 plus 48 by 9. So now if you further solve it, you will get the value to be 16 by 3 minus 12. It will be sine theta minus 2 by 3 whole square. So the maximum value of y will be what? It will be 16 by 3. So the maximum value of y will be 16 by 3. So for which the right answer would be option C. So I hope you guys have understood it. Now we'll go to the next question. So in this next question, in question number 84, it is given function r tends to s defined by function of x equals to 4 sin x minus 3 cos x plus 1 is on to, then what is the s equal to? So we have to solve this question. For this, we know the function of x is basically given by 4 sin x minus 3 cos x plus 1. So now if you simply put the value here, if you multiplied it with minus 5, it will be sin theta cos x minus cos theta sin x plus 1. So it will be equals to 1 minus 5 sin theta minus x equals to, so we know that s will belong to either minus 4 or 6. S will either belong to minus 4 because we know we have assumed sin theta to be 3 by 5. Here there are few assumptions we have made. Sin theta we have assumed to be 3 by 5. We have assumed cos theta to be 4 by 5, and tan theta we have assumed it to be 3 by 4. So from this we can see it belongs to minus 4 to 6. So option D seems to be the right answer for question number 84. So I hope you guys have understood the question. 3 questions we have done in today's video. So if you still have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 983679 3076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showropstersclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exam. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.